Hello everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Sundaish. In this lesson, we're going to improve our English while exploring an interesting topic from marine science: how whales and dolphins sense the world around them. Today, as we read and listen, you'll learn not only new English vocabulary and scientific expressions, but also fascinating facts about how these intelligent ocean animals communicate, navigate, and survive in their underwater environment. So let's explore the science of cetacean senses while learning English together. Many of the senses that humans and other land mammals naturally rely on are very different in whales and dolphins, which are known as cetaceans. Because these animals live entirely in water, some of their senses have become weaker, disappeared, or changed dramatically over time. For example, research on brain structures suggests that toothed whales, such as dolphins and sperm whales, likely cannot smell. In contrast, baleen whales seem to possess certain brain structures related to smell, but scientists are still unsure whether those structures actually function. Some researchers believe that when blowholes evolved and moved to the top of the head, the neural pathways responsible for smell may have largely disappeared. A similar pattern can be seen with the sense of taste. Although some cetaceans still have taste buds, the nerves connected to them appear to be weak or partially degenerated, meaning taste probably plays a limited role in their daily lives. For many years, scientists also assumed that cetaceans had a poor sense of touch, but this idea is now widely questioned. Trainers working with dolphins and small whales often observe that these animals respond strongly to physical contact. Both wild and captive individuals frequently touch each other. This behavior is especially common between mothers and calves or among members of the same social group. Touch appears to serve several purposes. It may help maintain social organization within a group, and gentle rubbing or stroking is commonly part of courtship behavior. One particularly sensitive area on the body is the region around the blowhole, and captive animals often react negatively if that area is touched. Vision also varies widely among different cetacean species. Studies of baleen whales, including gray whales, right whales, and humpback whales, suggest that they can follow moving objects underwater with their eyes. They also appear capable of seeing reasonably well, both in water and above the surface. However, the placement of their eyes limits their visual field, which likely prevents them from having stereoscopic vision, or depth perception created by two overlapping visual fields. In contrast, the eye placement in dolphins and porpoises allows them to have stereoscopic vision forward and downward, which helps them locate prey while swimming. Freshwater dolphins, which often swim sideways or upside down while feeding, have eye positions suggesting they see forward and upward instead. Among cetaceans, the bottlenose dolphin stands out for its particularly sharp underwater eyesight. Observations show that these dolphins can track flying fish above the water's surface, suggesting they can see surprisingly well across the boundary between air and water. Although some laboratory tests indicate dolphins might not see very well in the air, their ability to leap precisely and grab small fish from a trainer's hand suggests their vision above water may be better than previously believed. Differences in vision among species are likely connected to the environments where they evolved. animals living in clear ocean waters benefit more from strong vision than those living in muddy rivers or flooded plains. For example, the South American butu and the Chinese baiji appear to have very limited eyesight. The Indian susu dolphin is essentially blind. Its eyes are reduced to narrow openings that likely detect only the direction and intensity of light. Despite the decline of smell and taste and the varying quality of vision, cetaceans possess an incredibly advanced sense of sound. Their acoustic abilities are so powerful that they compensate for many of the other sensory limitations. Most cetaceans produce a wide range of sounds. Many species locate prey using echolocation, a biological sonar system that allows them to detect objects by interpreting echoes of sound waves. Large baleen whales tend to use lower frequency sounds, and their vocal range is often limited. However, there are fascinating exceptions. Bowhead whales produce chorus-like sounds during the summer, while humpback whales are famous for their complex and haunting songs. Toothed whales generally produce a broader variety of sounds across a wider frequency range than baleen whales. The sperm whale, for example, mainly produces a repeating pattern of powerful clicks. Some of these sounds clearly serve communication purposes, though scientists are still studying how they influence the social lives and possible cultural behaviors of cetaceans. Many questions remain unanswered, making this field an exciting area for future research. Thank you for learning with us today. By exploring topics like marine biology and animal behavior, we not only improve our English vocabulary and listening skills, but also expand our understanding of the natural world. Now it's your turn to practice. Sundaish has prepared 15 comprehension questions based on today's lesson. Try to answer them to test how well you understood the material. You can write your answers in the comments section, and let's learn together as a community of English learners. And if you enjoy learning English through knowledge, science, and meaningful discussions like this, don't forget to follow and subscribe to Sundaish. Because here at Learn English with Sundaish, language meets knowledge.